Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a girl wearing a winter cap. Let's begin. This is the bottom of the cap I am doing. Let's put the parallel line along with this curved line. We put a small circle here and let's connect it like this. I can connect another line here like this. Let's make it a little darker. So the lines are very strong and visible. Now we are going to draw the face. After nose, we are going to draw the lips here. This is the eyes under the eyebrow. Let's make the eyebrow little darker. Alright, we do the detailing on the eyes here. Another eye here on the other side, we can see. Let's put a hair coming from here. Alright, so the hair on the other side is coming from here. This is the basic outline of the drawing. Now we can put little shade on it. Let's start from here. Looks like this is round. Another shades from here. Alright, so the light's coming from this side. So the other side is darker. Let's make this one darker too. Let's draw the main part of the hair like this. These are the strong visible lines to show the alignments of the hair. Okay. Then we can put the lighter shade. Let's make little darker along the border side. Also this side. Let's make this one dark too and mix little shade here. Let's put little detailing on the nose. All right. So these parts are getting more clearer within the borders. The hair in this side is darker too. So the shades is almost done. We can make the lips little darker, and around the eyes we can make little darker, and let's put a little shade here. Okay, I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.